Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video, I'm going to take another problem from Iranian University entrance exam from this year. Let's see what the problem is. First of all, in this problem, we are given two values. We know that log of 2 is given as approximately 0.3 and log of 3 is given as approximately 0.4. Now we are given an equation that has a log of 30 multiplied by x squared plus 2x times log of 6 minus log of 5 over 6 equals to 0. And we are going to find the differences between the two roots that this equation has. Let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Now to solve this, remember we are given approximate values. So we are going to use this approximation to find the difference between the roots. Now looking at the equation that we have, you can see that this equation is a quadratic equation. In general, for a quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a few rules that we can use. Here in this particular problem, we are given a as log of 30 and then b is given as 2 times log of 6 and then c is given as negative log of 5 over 6. Now let's see how we are going to proceed from here. First of all, log of 30 is a kind of strange value because the values that we have are all based on 2 and 3. On the other hand, you can see that here we have 6, we have 5, we have 6. So we are going to say that I will write log of 30 as log of 5 times 6 because I already have 5 and 6 here, and then I can say a is going to be log of 5 plus log of 6. Now b is going to be 2 times log of 6 and c is going to be, I'm going to simplify it a little bit. So first of all, let's keep this negative, and then log of 5 over 6 is going to be log of 5 minus log of 6. You can write it as negative log of 5 plus log of 6. Now take a look at what we have. A, B and C values are given. If you add A and C, you can see that negative log of 5 and log of 5 are going to cancel out each other, and then we will have 2 log of 6, which is going to happen to be b. So for this particular problem, what we have here is a plus c is b. And remember, this is a quadratic equation. Now if it is a quadratic equation, let me write it down again. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. And we know that a plus c is b. You can simply see that x equals to negative 1 is one of the answers, because x squared is going to be 1, and then we will have a plus c, and then b is going to have a negative 1 as a coefficient, and then we will have what we need to have. So in this particular problem, x equals to negative 1 is going to be an answer. What is the other answer that we are going to find? The other answer is going to be c over a. So if we have this particular condition, a plus c equals to b, one of the answers is negative 1 and the other answer is c over a. Now for this one that we are interested, let's see how we are going to proceed from here. So I'm going to benefit from what I have and write it down. So c over a is going to be negative log of 5 plus log of 6 over, and a is going to be log of 5 plus log of 6. Now one root is already -1 and the other root is based on log of 5 and log of 6. Now we need to find log of 5 and log of 6. First of all, log of 5, the tricky part here is we're going to write it as log of 10 over 2, which is going to be log of 10 minus log of 2, and log of 10 is 1, and we already know that log of 2 is given as 0.3. So at the end, log of 5 is going to be 0.7, and then log of 6 is going to be log of 2 plus log of 3, which is going to be 0.3 plus 0.4 or 0.7. Now we need to calculate log of 6 minus log of 5. So we are going to have 0.7 minus 0.7, and then you can imagine we are going to have 0.7 plus 0.7. However, what we have here is going to end up with 0. So one of the roots is going to be -1 and the other root is going to be 0. The question asks about the differences between the roots, and as you can see, it's going to be -1 minus 0 equal to -1, or the other way around, 0 minus -1 is going to be 1. So the differences between the roots is going to be 1 or -1 depending which root is going to be the first root and which going to be the second root. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math involved activities, and problems from different math competitions, please subscribe to this channel. This is the SQRT channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.